Good evening all. I am Ednandan of 9th standard. I am going to present a simple experiment based on Pascal's law. Did you know what is Pascal's law? Pascal's law is the pressure applied at any point of a liquid at rest in a closed system. It will be experienced equally at all parts. The Pascal law was proposed by the French mathematician Blaise Pascal. Let's go to the experiment. Materials required are a water bottle and a large syringe of 20 ml and 4 small syringes of 6 ml and some water and glue. Let's do the experiment. First, we remove the cap of the bottle and make a hole of the center on the cap like this. Then we insert the large syringe to this hole and we take bottle and make 4 holes around the bottle like this to insert small syringes. Then insert 4 syringes one by one on this hole like this. Apply glue. We get like this. Then we take water and fill the bottle with water. I am using a funnel. We take full of water and in the large syringe take full of water like this and insert the tip of large syringe to the cap. Then close the bottle tightly. Then we are going to apply a force to the large syringe. Let's see the magic. Syringes goes up. All syringes goes up. Do you know why this happened? Because the equal pressure applied by the large syringe. There are so many examples for this. Hydraulic jack, hydraulic lift, hydraulic brake are the examples of Pascal's law. Thank you.